While everyone talks about AI and crypto, the real gold rush might be data security. Now a billion-dollar tech firm from abroad, Seclore, has just moved into Nigeria. But why now? And what does it mean for local tech companies? I'm anointing Obi with Obi Expeditions. Today we're breaking down why Seclore, one of the world's fastest-growing data security firms, is expanding into Nigeria, what they're planning, and how this move could redefine Africa's cybersecurity and enterprise tech landscape. Seclore is an Indian cybersecurity company valued at over $1 billion. They specialize in data-centric security, protecting information even after it leaves your company. Their tech is already used by Fortune 500 firms, major banks, and defense institutions. Now, they've announced plans to launch full operations in Nigeria. Nigeria's digital economy is booming, over 144 million internet users and thousands of new startups. With that growth comes cyber risks. Phishing, data theft, and ransomware have risen over 250% in the past year. Seclore sees Nigeria as a gateway to Africa's data economy, similar to how Lagos became Africa's fintech capital. The company says it will partner with local enterprises and government agencies to improve digital safety. This expansion creates opportunities for local cybersecurity talent, engineers, analysts, and AI developers. Nigerian startups like Convexity, Zone, and Reliance Tech could gain access to better protection for customer data. It also signals a new phase where foreign investment meets local innovation, not just in fintech, but in deep tech. Seclore is expected to invest around $100 million across Africa in the next few years, with Nigeria as the main hub. Analysts estimate this could create over 1,000 direct and indirect jobs. It also puts Nigeria in the global cybersecurity spotlight, competing with hubs like Nairobi, Cape Town, and Cairo. This move proves something powerful, that solving Africa's tech challenges isn't just about new apps, it's about trust. And trust begins with data. Nigeria could become not just the fintech capital, but the cybersecurity capital of Africa. What do you think? Can foreign tech giants like Seclore really secure Africa's digital future, or should local companies take the lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Obi Expeditions, exploring the future of business and innovation in Africa.